Caravel Gourmet sent me this spicy sea salt for my review, and I'm so excited to try it. I love different flavored salts, and if you're not into spicy, they do have different ones. They have like an infused one, so it's infused with like different seasonings. They also have like a smoked one, so it's not just spicy. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and, oh, I did not even look at the back. I had no idea like what kind of spice we were talking about. But so they have hot curry, they have jalapeno, they have spicy garlic pepper, they have Cajun, they have habanero, and then they have ghost pepper. My husband is going to love these. So let's go ahead and see what it looks. They're so cute. Look at these. You know what? This will make like a super cute gift because, you know, if you know somebody who really likes cooking, having something like this, again, as I said, not just the spicy. So keep that in mind. So I'm assuming, okay, so underneath each one, it tells you what it is. So this is the habanero, and then it just, ingredients, it says natural sea salt and habanero. So do they just twist or, oh, so they just pop up. I feel like I'm going to make like a crazy mess. You can smell that spice. Oh, that is good. Okay, that spice right there. I don't know if I can try the ghost pepper, but yeah, I think I just got some spice. Of course, you're not just going to be eating you're not just going to be eating it like I do. I swear I eat spice. I think it like went down there. Look, my eyes are watering. That is so funny. Okay, so then we've got the spicy. Okay, let's try the spicy garlic pepper because I do love garlic. And I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Oh yeah, so that one is not as spicy, obviously, because it's, you know, garlic and it's just pepper opposed to the habanero. This one's got to be, yeah, the hot curry. Oh, this one's going to be, oh, this smells so good. Oh my goodness, I love curry. That one is absolutely fantastic. I honestly cannot wait to start cooking with these. I'm way too scared. I absolutely love Cajun. I put Cajun in everything. So this one's got the natural sea salt, habanero, spices, paprika, salt, chopped onion, garlic, sugar, canola oil. Should I try the ghost pepper? I don't know if I can handle the ghost pepper. I mean, I think it would be kind of funny. Let's just give it a try. Oh, I don't know. My tongue is already burning. I don't know if I can do it. Let's try. I like barely took any. Yep. But it is good. It is so salty. You've got that really nice salt and that really nice spice. Again, if you are not into the spice, they do have different ones. Absolutely love that you're getting this sample pack. I have to cough again. Excuse me. But this is fantastic. As I said, super giftable. I know my husband is going to love this, and I feel like I'm going to be cooking tonight with one of these.